Today, we will discuss Directus and WordPress. Although the methods used to achieve their vary, both platforms support SEO optimization. Numerous SEO-related plugins are available for WordPress, and Directus enables the data to be organized in ways that are potentially highly SEO-friendly. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. Directus. It keeps the front-end appearance and the content management back-end apart. It offers a robust REST and GraphQL API for distributing content to any platform or device, perfect for developers creating multi-channel experiences, mobile apps, and custom applications. Incredibly scalable and adaptable, outstanding at handling intricate data structures, developer-friendly and equipped with powerful API features, robust access and role control for users. WordPress front-end display and content management back-end are closely coupled. It is renowned for its vast theme and plugin ecosystem and easy-to-use interface, perfect for websites, blogs, and e-commerce sites that want a pre-made presentation layer, a sizable community with a vast collection of plugins and themes. Beginners will find it easy to use, robust for creating a typical website. All in all, both platforms have API capabilities, while WordPress API is also extremely strong, and Directus API is a key component of its headless architecture. Integration with other programs and services is made possible by this.